Great opportunity to own in Naples Heritage. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is being offered turnkey. Popular Brookside, open, floor plan. Kitchen has matching stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets and amp, beautiful quartz countertops. The main living area is open to dining area and amp, kitchen. Newer ceiling fans and amp, lighting. Condo has an abundance of natural light with peaceful water and amp, golf course views. Master bath has white shaker vanity, quartz countertop, frameless glass shower door and amp, new lighting. Guest bath also has white shaker vanity, quartz countertop and amp, new lighting. Back screen lanai has tile floors and storm smart electric screens. Deeded carport parking and amp, outside storage room. Building equipped with elevator. Naples Heritage is a beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and amp preserves. The 18-hole golf course, putting green, thriving range, renovated clubhouse west/pro shop, resort-style pool west/cabana, tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce ball, and fitness center are all part of the Naples Heritage lifestyle. Just minutes from downtown restaurants, shopping and amp, beaches,